Hello, I'm Tom Anthony, Vice President of Procurement Product Strategy, and in this spotlight, I'll highlight a few of the new capabilities in Update 24A. Some of the new capabilities are enhancements to Redwood Self-Service Procurement, generative AI supplier suggestions, reopen negotiation award, and questionnaire multiple language support. Let's look at some of the Redwood Self-Service Procurement enhancements. There are 3 Redwood Self-Service enhancements I wanted to highlight in this update. They are Funds Check Details, Funds Override Request, and View Approvers. You now have the ability to review the details of Funds Check results on your requisition, including details for both failures and warnings. In the event of a Funds Check failure, if an override request is available, you will now be alerted. You can then request an override and provide a justification to the budget override approver. Lastly, instead of being limited to seeing the current approver for your requisition, you can now view all approvers. In a future update, we plan to provide a preview of the approvers before you submit the requisition. Now let's look at supplier suggestions. You can now use generative AI to recommend new suppliers based on what you're sending out for bid. If you like a recommendation, you can register the supplier and invite them to participate. The goal is to help you discover new suppliers and help you potentially increase competition. Now let's look at reopening a negotiation award. You can now reopen an awarded and completed negotiation and change the award decision. You can then pick another supplier, giving you more flexibility in situations where the awarded supplier is not able to fulfill your purchase. Lastly, let's look at multi-language support for supplier qualification management questionnaires. You can now store translations for the question text and acceptable responses as part of the question definition. You can also use language translations for internal responders to questionnaires that might use different languages. You can also translate section names within the qualification area. These multi-language enhancements will help you make sure your suppliers and your internal responders can clearly read and respond to questions in their preferred language, and eliminate the need to create and maintain questionnaires in each language. This covered just a few of the enhancements in Update 24A. For more information on Oracle Cloud Procurement, see the What's New and New Feature Summary documentation at oracle.com/readiness and these other resources. Thank you.